Whether you want to express ability, possibility, or even make a polite request, can and could are your go-to modals. We'll go step by step, and I've got plenty of examples to help you understand each function. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about using can for abilities. So, can is what you'd use when you're talking about something you're able to do. Simple, right? I can swim, she can cook, they can dance. Next, we have could, which is like the past tense of can. When you talk about an ability you had in the past, could is your go-to word. I could swim when I was a child, she could cook, they could dance. Now let's see how can be used for possibilities. Can is also a handy word for talking about things that are possible now or in the future. It can rain later, you can succeed, this can work. What about could for possibilities? Let's dive in. Could gives you a way to talk about things that might happen, but you're not sure. It could rain later, you could succeed, this could work. Can isn't just about ability, you can use it for requests too. For casual, everyday requests, can is perfect. It's less formal and straight to the point. Can you pass the salt? Can you help? Can you come? Feeling polite? Could is your friend for making requests. Could is just a notch above can on the politeness scale. Use it when you want to be extra courteous. Could you pass the salt, please? Could you help, please? Could you come, please? Asking for permission? Can is commonly used. If you need to ask if something's allowed, can is often the word you'll want to use. Can I go to the bathroom? Can I leave? Can I eat? Could can also be used for asking permission, but in a more polite manner. For more formal situations or when you want to show extra respect, go with could. Could I go to the bathroom, please? Could I leave, please? Could I eat, please? Let's look at how could can be used for making suggestions. Could is ideal for throwing out suggestions. It's a gentle way to offer an idea. We could go to the park, you could read this book, they could join us. Lastly, when something's absolutely impossible, can't is the word you'll use. Can't is your clear and simple way to say, nope, that's not happening. I can't fly, you can't time travel, we can't teleport. Remember, practice makes perfect. Check out our exercise videos to check your understanding further. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more.